Hello everyone, I hope everyone's doing great. In today's video, a simple nail design, nothing that I didn't do before, but I think the color combination looks great, very pretty, and can go with every skin tone and almost every outfit. I really hope you guys like it. So after I already prepared my nails. What do I'm saying? Okay, so I already prepared my nails. I apply the primer and I go with my first layer of hard gel, and in this video I'm using IBD gel. This is the gel that works best for me. So yeah. Next, I cure, and if you follow me for a couple of months already, probably you noticed that I improvised a lot, and it is exactly what I'm doing in this video as well. On my hard gel, I'm applying 2 layers of soak-off gel polish, and I use a glitter in a very light peach color. And oh my god guys, the glitter is just so amazing, and I'm really sorry for the lighting in my videos, but you can see the real color in the photos that I am putting in the beginning of the video and in the end of the video. This glitter is absolutely amazing. Yeah, I'm going to put all the information about the glitter in the description section below this video, so make sure you check it out. I also apply a line of glitter on one of my nails, and after I'm curing, I apply a little bit of hard gel so I can stick the decorations, and after I'm doing this, I'm not curing more than 30 seconds. I usually don't do this, but I decided to encapsulate my rhinestones just because of my daughter. I say this a lot in my videos. My long nails are usually not a problem for me, but what I'm putting on my nails can be a problem. I am really afraid of not scratching my girl when I'm changing her, for example. And yeah, this is why I encapsulate. After I'm doing this, I cure for 2 or 3 minutes, and next I still like to file the nails just to make sure that the nails have the shape that I like. And for a really nice shine, I use the Madame Glam gel top coat. And this is it. This is all for this video. I really hope you guys like the design, and yeah, see you next time. Take care. Bye.